On our way to Queens Beach, took a grab from the hotel to here. It's about 1 kilometer, cost us about $1 and a little bit of change. It is free to walk up, so that's nice. The beautiful temple blends right into the rocks here. It is good to always carry a shawl or a little jacket inside your backpack for these pleasant surprises. That sounds like a giant bug. So, a beautiful little walk here. The breeze is fantastic. All the flowers. The trees are so unique with their roots right up the side of the rocks. Some stairs into the rock. Another one. There is a restaurant up here, and along the way there's several areas to sit down and just relax overlooking the sea. The little stairs, very steep stairs, going down to the water. So we are, I guess, just north of the actual Queens Beach area with the smaller rocks. We are at more of a bigger rock area. Very cool. Oh, there's a little crab. Oh, there he goes. Tons of little crabs. How fun. This was definitely not a bad way to spend the afternoon. A little seaside escape, exploring the area. We're happy you came along with us, and we will see you on the next one.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my